Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Loveth. If you are a new subscriber, welcome to the family, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back to my channel. The hair I'll be using for today's tutorial is from HerGivenHair. So right out of the box, it comes with the unit, which has a tag that shows you the wig specifications you ordered for. It comes with a little bag that has an elastic band, 2 wig combs and clips, and finally it comes with a booklet that tells you every single thing you need to know about the company, as well as the hair care instructions of the unit. The wig also has a comb on each side, a comb at the back, and an adjustable strap. It comes with the 4x4 lace closure, and the cap itself is wefted to perfection. On their website, this wig is called Something About Mary unit, and the curls on this unit are buttery soft and super defined. It is a kinky coily wig that has a 3C4A curl pattern, and for the length, 14 inches, 16 inches, and 18 inches wefts were used to kind of custom make this unit. So today I'm going to be doing a twist out on this unit, and to do that I'm going to be using water, a sulfate-free conditioner, and this called Defining Taming Cream from Naughty USA. So the first thing I'm going to do is spraying water on the hair, and I'm going to use my hands to kind of finger detangle it just to make sure that there are no tangles anywhere. And then I'm going to go with my second spray bottle, which is a mixture of water and conditioner. And the second I applied this to the unit, it made it so soft. I don't know the name of this brush, but it works the same way as a diamond brush, but it's just way cheaper. So now I'm going to go ahead and twist that particular section, and once I get to the very end, I'm going to go ahead and secure the twister with a rubber band, and this is just going to make sure that my twister doesn't unravel. It's normal for coily hair to unravel once you twist it, so this is going to stop that from happening. And once I do that, I'm going to go ahead and continue twisting to the very end. So now that I've shown you guys the steps, I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing for the rest of the hair, and I'm going to allow this hair sit on my mannequin head for a couple of days until it is completely dry. So now I'm just going to go ahead and put the unit on my head, cut off the lace, unravel the twist, fluff it out a little, and this hair is gorgeous, guys. This hair is gorgeous, and if you get one for yourself, you'll be glad you did. If you have the money, yes, you can go ahead and get one for yourself. So on the website, this wig is meant to be worn with bangs, and for me, I'm not a bang lover. I don't wear bangs. I don't know, I just feel like it doesn't fit my head. But after seeing the pictures of some other YouTubers like Joanna, and it looked really, really good on her, I was like, why don't I give this a try? So I tried to kind of wear it with the bangs and all that stuff, and I'm like, this is not me. This is absolutely not love it. So at this point, I went ahead and wore my hair back in the side, and I was so happy with the way this hair turned out. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions regarding this hair or regarding any of the steps that I took, please make sure you leave your comment down below, and I'll respond to them as soon as possible. So at this point, my man comes in to check up on me, and he's just so sweet. Like, having someone support you and support everything you do is just amazing. Like, I'm just so blessed to have like the best man ever in the world, you know. Thank you to every single one of you that has supported me on my YouTube journey. I love you all. God bless you, and I'll see you in my next tutorial. Till then, bye guys.